FreeReels sign up. How to create FreeReels profile. Now, creating an account or logging into FreeReels is very simple. So FreeReels is a short drama application where you can watch dramas for free. And what you want to do is, after you launch the app, you want to just go to the profile icon by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. And when you're here on the profile page, from the top you can say currently I'm just using a guest account, but if I want to create an account or sign up, I have to tap on this option from the top right that says sign in. So when I select sign in, I have two options. I can either sign in with my Facebook or I can sign in with my Google account. You don't have to enter a separate email address and password. You can always continue with this. So when you select sign in with Google, you could essentially just select the Google account that you want to sign in with, and your account will be successfully created along with your FreeReels profile as well. And that way you can sign up or create FreeReels profile. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.